So welcome back to another bite-sized tip. We're following up on mastering the nudge with another nudge tip. So like pay attention to this one and maybe check the previous video for a little bit more context. But let's grab the fictitious VanStore card. Let's say that we want to increase the width by 1 pixel. Nudging pretty much just means like changing like either like position in the canvas or width in this case or height in this case, size of the layer basically with the arrow keys on the keyboard. So let's do it. Command. We have to press command to do it. And when we press 1 pixel and we change, as we can see here on the width, we changed 1 pixel the width. If we press like back the left arrow, we can grab it back to 800. And now we can also use the big nudge by pressing shift 10 pixels. By pressing shift and the arrow back, we get 10 pixels less. It works also for the height. You can see that it works perfectly. There we go. And then what you can also do here is you can change the nudge amount by going here to the top left and preferences, nudge amount, or just use the quick action. Nudge amount, it's already there. So you could change the small nudge to 8 pixels if you're using an 8 pixel grid, and the big nudge to maybe 12 if you're using like if that's convenient for you. Some people like it this way, some don't. Me personally, what I do normally is I keep it as is, and then I will do like, let's say we want to increase from 800 to 812 by using like 8 plus 4 in the pixel grid. So let's do 10, 1, 2, 12. Then we can do like 10, 1, 2, 12. Now we have 24. Or we could just do like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 to get back to the 800. So that's cool. So now what I'm going to give you like a little bonus one. Nudging actually works for any number input also, both in Figma, but also sometimes in the internet at large. So we have 800, we want 801. We got nudge up, nudge down, and then we press shift, 10, 1, 2, 12, 10, 1, 2, 12. There we go. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what else would you like to have tips on, and catch you later.